Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with a gorgeous dekdesigns.com unboxing. So I'm super thrilled. Um, I, I'm already in love. I'm already in love. All I've done is take it out of the, there it is. Okay, out of the, what am I trying to say? Pouch and took my receipt out. That's it. So, all right, let's take a look. Okay, I absolutely adore and love that. I am a pink girl. I just, and it's on rose gold. Oh my goodness, I love it. And then here is an extra couple of goodies. So guys, if you don't know, listed below is the link for DK Designs, my discount code that goes in the discount code section. And then there is a code that you put in the comment box, KRIS, and it gets you extra freebies. So yeah, and you get one of my PR team. I'm on the PR team and design team for DEK. So you get this, and then it looks like we're getting an extra something there too. Woo! I love that heart, and I love, oh gosh, Dawn is just amazing. So, all right, so this, I'm going to put this to the side. This is for my Hobonichi, and oh, so beautiful. Look at all of that. Can you see that? All that foiling. I absolutely love that. The colors are so beautiful. And yeah, when she comes out with it, I love the Chinese food. I have to be honest, when we finally get to get out and we're finally going to eat out, I cannot wait to eat out. Thai, Indian, and Chinese. Those are the three that I have learned so much cooking at home this last 15 months. And I had already was cooking, food like we had in China, not American Chinese. But I can't wait for somebody else to cook it and I get to eat it. And it's especially Thai. Oh goodness, I love Thai food. So very non-spicy, but I love Thai food. So I can't wait. I love that. I think it's beautiful. And then look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, gorgeous. So this is for my Hobonichi. It's a weekly planner and I love it. So, and I do that here on this channel. I also ordered some of these extra beautiful. I love those little framed with bows. My bathroom mirror is like that and I love it. And then the hearts. Of course, this is all the pinks. Ooh, look at that in the rose gold. Love that. Look at that in the rose gold. So pretty. Oh, love it. So when you guys order some of the kits, look to see if there's add-ons because she's now creating add-ons and I love them. So this is for the June sub add-ons, I guess. And this is so cute. All right, look at, oh, and I love these. These are so much fun. They're little kawais. They have little faces, little happy faces in there, in the hearts and in the stars. And look at the little paint. I call them paint splatters. I'm not sure what she calls them. And then there's the corners. I love those. Those are so pretty. And then the dimensional boxes are too much fun. Absolutely charming. Super, 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 super cute. Okay, so there's that. And then I have a July. Oh, you know what? Oh, no, I know what this is. Okay, so I ordered these. These are for my memory keeping for my other, like I have a monthly Hobonichi cousin that I use these in. And then I also use these in some of my other just regular planners for the monthlies. So I love these. Look at the July. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at that rose gold. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the decoratives. So cute. So I love that. And I get the different sizes. So I get the Hobonichi. And then I think this is the B6. Yeah, this is the B6, I bet. So I love this. So this works in my bullet journal. And look at all you get, guys. You get washi, you get decorative, you get square decoratives, you get kind of a sidebar. Oh my goodness, that's one piece. I love that. Or you could take it across the top, however you want to do it. Oh, cute. And then, of course, then you have the monthly. And, oh, love the dates. And these are date banners. I think you can see that. And then there's functional icons and then just more decoratives. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then I'm behind on some, so I ordered the June, which is, oh, I love that rose gold. So beautiful. I have several of these, and whether I use them this year or next year, if I end up with extras, I'm totally fine. So I do get the two different sizes. Isn't that beautiful? All right, and then May. And I am planning to use some of this in my memory keeping. So, ooh, I love the May. So cute. All right. These are so pretty. And so she's really great. She'll be like a month ahead, and then you can get the last 2 months if you need to catch up. So, yes, definitely need to catch up. Oh, look. Seaside. Oh, there's my heart. Oh, I miss the seagulls. That's every now and then we'll get a seagull that'll come up here. I don't know why. We're too far inland. And my husband will be like, hey, we got a seagull, and we'll go out and look at it. They're really way too far inland, and we don't have a river that brings them up here. So, which is what happens in some places. But so beautiful. Oh, look at that washi, the beach, and then the palm fronds on the seashells. So beautiful. That silver, I think it's halo. Yeah, silver halo. So pretty. And now she's giving the date dots. I love that she's doing this. I absolutely love it. Oh, goodness. That gives us other goodies in here. So, all right. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, there's the boxes. Oh, look at the half scallops. I love the 2 different size half scallops, the eyelet scallops, the banner. I love the work, and I call these the postage stamp squares and rectangles. I just love them. I think they're fun. And that's the vintage, journal, junk journaler part of me. So, oh, yay, more. And these are 3s now instead of the 5s. So you get 6 of these, and then you get some others as well, plus clipboards. And I use these for my menu, habit trackers, more habit tracker I love. And then the word headers I love. And these are, yeah, they're on white sticky back. So pretty. And then here is the additional listers, some washi weekend, glitter headers, and then pre-done headers. Absolutely love, 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 love these kits. They are amazing. So there is my haul, and then some extra date dots. How much fun was that? That just screams summer, summer, summer all day. I'm a summer girl. Sorry, guys. I get really pumped at summer. So, all right, friends. Actually, spring is my favorite season, but I am a summer girl. Grew up on the coast. I remember as soon as it hit 70 degrees, we could go swimming. And that was the rule for my mom. And it didn't matter if it was windy or cold. We went swimming. It had to hit 70 degrees. And I mean, we would literally come home from church and watch. And if it hit 70 degrees, we ran to the pool. And it was cold. It was always cold then. And we are not cold swimmers here. We like warm Gulf Coast waters and warm pools. I mean, we don't heat pools here, but I take that back. I think there's some people who heat their pool, but we never went to pools like that. So it was just a really big thing in our lives. And then when I could get to the beach, my dad hated the beach. It was messy, sandy, blah, blah, blah. You know how that goes. But once I started driving, that was my respite. I would go out there in the winter, in the summer, anytime. And it was just a place I could go and listen to the water and the birds and just think and unwind. And wow, when I even say that, it makes me unwind. So yeah, I'm ready to go to the beach. Can you tell? Okay, friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I am probably going to post this on, I guess, Sunday maybe. I'll post this one on Sunday because it's so pretty and I don't want you guys to miss any of the monthlies. So if I post this Sunday, we will be having Sunday specials with dekdesigns.com, which is where all this beauty is from. And I've got links listed below. On Sundays, that's when we have all of our new releases. And they are a phenomenal deal. You will want to go see them. And there will be multiple releases. And then, like I said, always double check and make sure that there's not add-on kits for either Wednesday Humpback or on Sunday specials. And you can add to it. You also have a code listed below, and it gives you, hold on one second, a discount. Sorry, my mind just went blank. It gives you 15% off of everything that's not on special or a subscription box or subscription kit. And Then if you keep going down, there is another code that if you put in the comment box, KRIS, then you will get some extra goodie freebies. So, and these are so much fun. They're so much fun to use. Whether you journal or you scrapbook, they're really, or you plan in your planners, they are perfect. You can use them in all three. So, okay, friends, there's that. And I hope you guys have a great Sunday and that you just enjoy the day. Go out, breathe that beautiful air, get some vitamin D, wear your sunscreen, but get some vitamin D from the sun, at least 15 minutes, and walk around and just be blessed, okay? All right, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Leave a comment below. Tell me what your favorite thing is. And yeah, I mean, this is a fun order for sure. So if you're a summer girl, tell me if you're a summer girl. Leave that in the comment too. All right, friends, have a great day. I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Love y'all. Be safe. Bye-bye.